Welcome to Frontline News AX. Today is our topic is the scary truth about AI replacing humans. Okay, we discuss our topic. Right now, somewhere in the world, a machine is doing a job that used to belong to human beings. A computer is writing articles, answer customer questions, create items, edit videos, analyzing data, and even make decisions once believed to require human intelligence. And the most shocking part is this: this is only the beginning. Artificial intelligence is advancing faster than almost anyone predicted every year. AI becomes smarter, faster, cheaper, and more powerful. What once looked like science fiction is now becoming reality. And millions of people are starting to ask the same terrifying questions. Will AI replace humans? At first, the idea sounded extreme. Human create AI, so how could it replace the people who build it? But history shows something important. Whenever a new technology appears, job change, some disappears completely, otherwise evolve. And the most who fail to adopt often get left behind. Think about factories during the Industrial Revolution. Machines replaced physical labor at a massive scale. Later, computer replaced many office tasks. The internet transformed communication, shopping, entertainment, and the business forever. Every technology revolution changed society permanently. But AI is different. Previous technologies mainly replace physical work or repetitive tasks. Artificial intelligence is beginning to replace thinking itself. And that changes everything. For years, people believed creativity and intelligence made humans irreplaceable. Art, writing, music, decision making, communication, and problem solving were considered unquickly human abilities. But now, AI can generate images, write script, compose music, translate languages, code software, and even imitate human conversation with shocking accuracy. Suddenly, jobs that once felt secure no longer feel safe. Graphic designers see AI creating artwork in seconds. Writers watch AI generate article instantly. Customer service workers are replaced by intelligent chatbots. Video editors see automated tools doing hours of work within a minute. And companies are paying attention. Businesses care about efficiency and profit. If AI can complete tasks faster and cheaper than human, many companies will choose automation not because they hate people, but because competition forces businesses to reduce cost and increase speed. This creates fear. Billions of workers around the world worry that their skills may become outdated. People spent years studying, building careers, and gaining experience. Now they wonder if machine will eventually make those skills unnecessary. But the situation is more complicated than most people think. AI is not simply thinks jobs; it is transforming them. Some jobs will disappear completely, others will become partially automated, and entire new career will emerge. History has always worked this way. The problem is that technological change is now happening faster than society can comfortably adopt it. Take self driving technology as an example. Millions of people worldwide works as drivers. Truck drivers, taxi drivers, delivery drivers, and transportation workers support entire industries. If autonomous vehicles become reliable enough, many of these jobs could disappear over time. Now, imagine this happening across multiple industries at once. Retail stores use automated checkouts, factories use intelligent robots, restaurants experiment with automated systems, AI software handles accounting, scheduling and analyzing. If healthcare and law are becoming to use AI tools for diagnosis and research, the impact could be enormous. And yet, despite all this fear, there is other side to the story. AI is also creating opportunities humanity has never seen before. Artificial intelligence can help doctors detect disease earlier. It can assist scientists solving complex problems. It can improve education by personalizing learning. It can automate dangerous tasks, reducing workplace injuries. It can help businesses grow faster and make service for accessible. Like every powerful invention in history, AI is both exciting and dangerous. The real question is not whether AI itself is good or bad. The real question is how humans choose to use it. But fear grows because many people feel unprepared. School often teach outdated system designed for a different era. Children are still trained for job that may not even exist in the future. Meanwhile, technology evolves in incredible speed. Some experts believe the future works will value creativity, emotional intelligence, adaptability, and critical thinking more than repetitive skills. Why? Because machines are excellent at repetitions, calculations, and data processing. Humans still hold advantages in empathy, emotionals, understanding, deep creativity, and human connection. At least for now, one reason AI feels so frightening is because it challenges human identity itself. Humans have always seen intelligence as a defining trait, but when machines begin performing intelligent tasks, people naturally feel threatened. Movies and science fiction amplified these fears for decades. Stories about robots taking over the world create powerful images in people's mind. While reality is far more complex, those fears still influence how society views AI today. Other concern is control. Who control artificial intelligence? Large tech companies and government invest billions into. Why control artificial intelligence? Large tech companies and government invest billions into AI development. The organizations controlling advanced AI systems may gain enormous power over information, economies, and communication. This raises serious ethical questions about privacy, surveillance, and influence. AI systems already affect daily life more than most people realize. Algorithm decades Algorithm decides what video you watch, what content appear on your feed, what advertisements you see, and sometimes even what news research you. Recommendations systems shape opinions, habits, and attentions without people fully noticing. In many ways, AI is quietly shaping modern society behind the scenes, and it's become more powerful every year. Then there the issue is misinformation. AI can now generate realistic images, videos, and voices. Deepfake technology allow fake videos to appear incredibly real. This creates a dangerous future where distinguishing truth from fiction may become harder than ever before. Imagine a world where anyone's voice or face can be copied digitally. Trust itself become fragile. At the same time, AI may increase inequality. Wealthy companies and countries with advanced technology could gain enormous advantages while others struggle to keep up. Entire industries may become dominated by automation, concentrating power and wealth into fewer hands. This could create social tension. People fear not only losing jobs but losing purpose. For many humans, work is more than money. Work provides identity, routine, goals, and meanings. If machines perform most tasks better than humans, society may need to rethink how people find value and the purpose in life. Some experts believe humans will eventually work alongside AI rather than compete against it, instead of replacing humans entirely. AI could become a powerful tool that increases human productivity. People who learn how to use AI effectively may gain huge advantages. In fact, some jobs already work this way. Doctors use AI to analyze medical scenes faster. Designers use AI tools to generate ideas. Business use AI to research and efficiency. In these cases, AI act more like an assistant than a replacement. But adaptation is critical. The people who refuse to learn new skill may struggle in the future economy. Technology rewards adaptability throughout history. Societies that embrace change often move forward faster than those who resisted it. Still, many people feel overwhelmed by the speed of change. AI development moves so quickly that even experts sometimes struggle predicting where it will lead next. 1 year ago, Certain AI abilities seemed impossible, today they are normal. That uncertainty creates anxiety and frames the most unsettling part in this. Humanity may be creating sometimes more intelligent than itself. For the first time in history, human and developing systems capable of learning, improving, and solving problems at massive scale. Some scientists believe advanced AI could eventually surpass human intelligence in many areas. This idea is called superintelligence. No one fully knows what happens if machine becomes smarter than humans across nearly every field. Some experts warn about risk, others believe fears and exaggerated, but almost everyone agrees on one thing. Artificial intelligence will transformation the future of civilization. The only question is how fast. Right now, humanity stands at the turning point similar to the invention of electricity, the internet, or the industrial evolution. The decision made today may shape the next century of human history. And despite all the fear, there is also incredible potential. AI could help solve disease, climate challenges, scientific discoveries, and global problems beyond current humanity capability. It could unlock advancement that improve billions of lives. But if controlled irresponsibly, it could also increase inequality, misinformation, surveillance, and economic disruption. The further depends on balance. Human must learn how to use AI without losing humanity itself. Because no matter how advanced machines become, there are still things deeply human that technology cannot fully replace. Real emotions, genuine empathy, human connections, morality, conscious experience, at least for now. The truth is, AI is not coming someday in the future, it is already here. Quality changing industries, quality changing societies, quality changing human life itself. And whether people realize it or not, the world is entering a new era where human and artificial intelligence will shape the further together. The question is not whether change in coming. The question is who will adopt and who will be left behind. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, comment, share it, comment it. Inshallah, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.